is the goal. Tree comes off, up, and down, based on these ropes and pulleys. And James, who is now caught in brambles.
Trying to get out of the woods.
Theo, do you think it's going to work?
You don't want to go tightrope walking?
Not so much. Good stuff.
Not a very quick method of doing it. He's using a come along. Yes. Kindergartner could do it.
What's that? So that's why you picked her to do it?
Yeah. Well, what's happening is the come along is so slow, and that slows it down even more. When you were pulling it, it was going through up there.
Yeah, because that map there, see that map? We started, that was all the way up. Okay.
Second on was, yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. So, alright, so now we gotta test this. Hold that. Yeah, there you go. Compañero con el para atrás.
Hey, Domingo, do you want to take pictures? Or, yeah, while I videotape? I can't do both.
I'm not very good at taking pictures.
No?
Maybe Winston.
You want to ask Winston? Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'm not. Winston!
Okay, good. Yeah, I like